Hi, kindergarten students. Remember, we were learning how to write straight line letters. Here's that handwriting book. We will go to the next straight line letter and trying to get this a little straighter, talking about straight. Looks like a straight line letter. Let's find out where it is in the alphabet. So say the ABCs. Let's have a smaller one so you can see better. Ready? A, F, I, uppercase, lowercase. And look at this fun insect island. An island in the middle of the water filled with insects. This little picture and this picture show you how to write it, where number 1 is pull down straight. Let's do it a minute here. 1 arrow, go pull down straight. 2 is slide right, left, slide right, left. Trace and write. There are those arrows again. Green dot says start here. Pull down straight, lift, slide right, slide right. Pretty good. Find the green dot. Pull down straight, lift, slide right, right on top of that blue line on the top. Slide right on top of the red line on the bottom. What letter are we making again? I, I, I. Say the letter sometimes. I. Sometimes say what you're doing. Pull down straight, lift, slide right, lift, slide right. Hey, looks like that. Look at, we have one long line and two pretty short lines. Now we practice tracing. We can do it by ourselves. Pull down straight, lift, slide right, lift, slide right, left. You can do quite well if you take your time, I think. Now, yours might not be quite as neat because I've practiced this a lot longer, many more years than you. I do not expect yours to be as straight. I do expect you to do the very best that you can. I'm sure you are. So finish these and remember this fun stop sign. Stop and check. I better do a few more so I can check. I. Remember, go all the way. Don't stop until you get to that red line. Slide right, slide right. Do not make it too short. Do not make it too long. No. Stop and check. Ooh, I have some good ones. I think this one might be one of my best. And this one. Circle 2 of your best on this row where you're not tracing, but you're doing your very own work. Now it says insect island. So you can trace these letters to show that the I is used in words. Tracing over top. Finish this. Here's a name. I'm kind of surprised they chose this name because it is an I, but it sounds like an E. We usually say this Ian. You don't usually say Ian. So I guess it's hard to find a name that starts with I. Isaac would be a much better one. Isaiah would be a much better one. It's what I would have chosen if I was writing this book. Do you think of other names too that would work better? And I'm going to erase. You don't, please. And let's also do the lowercase I on this page. And of course, I is the same place in the alphabet because it's still I. And look at the fun I words. Itch, inchworm, insect. And the lowercase I is pretty easy. You start on the dotted line. Let's see if we can show this better. Pull down straight, lift, dot. That's all. Trace and write. Okay. Pull down straight, lift, dot. Pull down straight, lift, dot. I hope you're holding your pencil good with thumb in on the top, thumb on the star, thumb on the star, pointer on the top, thumb in is resting, pushing on the side. I can't put a gripper on this, it's too fat. Pull down straight, lift, dot. Trace all of these for good practice, then do it down here. Yes, I, what letter? I. Remember, we don't start up here because it's lowercase. The green dot is down there, isn't it? And do the pull down before you make the dot. Stop and check. What does that mean again? Stop, check my work. Oh yeah, find a good one, two good ones to circle. Trace inchworm, itch, and insect. Take a picture of uppercase, add a page, and lowercase. Can't wait to see how you're doing on handwriting letters. Fly away, butterfly.